This is a doubt clarification video for grade 10 advanced topic 6 question number 4. I will do 4 and 5 because they are quite similar. Now over here you have to solve the system of equation in calculator easily. Now what you do is go to mode phi, and in the 1 you can see the standard form ax plus by equals c. C means constant, that is just numbers without any variable. X is the variable, a is the value before x. That means anything, that's a number. So an over here means it's number, bn is the number before y is the variable, and cn is the number. So let's select 1, type the coefficients, that is 3, 1, minus 2 for the first equation, 6, 2, and plus 10 for the next equation. When you solve it, you will get a mathematical error in your calculator. Since this is a computer simulation, I get no solution, but you will just get an error. So what do you do when error comes? Let's do over here the next problem as well. The 1, 2, 5, and 3 minus 15. Minus 15 and minus. See, now this over here needs to be rearranged and written. You can't directly write the answers. The first equation is fine. The second equation, 3x. Then get this to the other side. It will be 3x plus 6y equals positive 15 because 15 is in the other side. So this changes. I'm sorry for that. It's 6 and then positive 15. That is the answer. It will again be a math error in your calculator. I'm getting infinite solution, but it won't be such. You will get an error. Now, what do you do in such cases when it is math error? We saw 4 and 5. Whereas the other problems, we would get an answer. Over here, you would have got an answer, a direct answer over here as well. But over here, it is not answer. How would you solve? It is very simple. Simplify this or reduce the equation to the simplest form. Now look at the first equation. You can see there is 1. That means if you try to simplify further, it will be a fraction. So leave it. See the second equation. It has 6, 2, and 10. That means this can be simplified. So let me simplify the below equation. Now looking at the simplification, I can see 2 is divisible. I can divide everything by 2, 2, and 2 over here. So the answer would be 3x plus y equals 5. Now compare these both equations. You can see, this is 3x, the first number. So the thing is, you can see over here, 3x and y is the same. But only the change is minus 2 and 5. So these both are different, whereas the other things are the same. Now what about the next equation? Let's come over here in a minute, but let's just simplify this as well. This can be rearranged and written as 3x plus 6y equals 15. And now this first equation is already simplified. So don't go to simplify it further because it's already 1. So now in this equation, you need to simplify. Don't think it's just dividing by 2. It depends on the numbers. Over here, I need to simplify this as much as I can. So divide 3 over here, even over here and over here. So now, what would you be able to see over here is x plus 2y equals 5. In these two cases, both we get math error, but look at the simplified equations. Now compare. In the second case, we get same equations up and down. This equation matches this. They are the exact same. Whenever this is the case, it is infinite solution. That means it is infinite. See, this is the answer. Infinitely many solution. It's consistent and dependent. Even over here, you can try it. If you simplify by rearranging it, you would get the same equations. But here, x and y, the variables are same. Only this is different. That means when you graph this equation, now imagine the graph is negative slope, so it will be something like this. Then this is phi, then one more will be down. They'll be parallel lines. They will never touch each other. You can try graphing these two equations. They'll be almost the same line, but they are parallel because they'll have different y-intercepts. So therefore, math error means two things in your calculator. In the shortcut methods, it might mean two things. Either infinite solution or no solution. So in the case where this two equations are same in x and y, see, but only the last value is different, it is no solution. But if it's the same equation, then it is infinite solution. So over here, there is infinitely many solution. It's consistent and dependent, whereas over here, it is zero solutions and it is inconsistent.